Hi, let's continue by solving this problem. Okay, it's a problem involving binomial distribution, right? Probability involving binomial distribution. So, okay, let's look at the question. It is found that 20% of the patient, 20% of the patient who use a new type of medicine, right? It's a new type of medicine, develop some side effect. Okay, means after using that medicine, it has some side effect, right? 20% of the patient, right? Means that 80% of the patient is not develop any side effect, right? So, and you look at here, now they have a sample, they have 40 patient, 40 patient are selected randomly from this patient, right? So, 40 of the patient is the sample. So, find the sample that not more than 5 patients will develop some side effect. Means this 40 patient, they go and try. Each patient will try the medicine, right? Each patient will try the medicine. Not all will get the side effect, right? There is a probability not all is getting the side effect. Alright, 40 going for try. So they want to study, right? So the 20 of the patient who use the new type of medicine. So means that 20% develop the side effect. So it means that I want to try. It's an independent try. How I know this is a binomial distribution? Very simple. First, they have number of try. Right? Means that each of the patient, when given the medicine, either the patient is okay with that medicine or not okay with that medicine. Right? It's not okay with that medicine. This is binomial. First, they have sample, right? Number of sample, 40 try. Okay, cubaan, they got try. The try got only 2 outcome. Hanya ada 2. Okay, 2 outcome. Okay, kemungkinan. That is either got side effect or no side effect, right? So got side effect is considered as success. Means that in this case, so it's considered as a success. Means that the patient have side effect, right? 0.2. If no side effect means 0.8, right? The other way. So got 2 outcome, right? So this is a binomial because they are independent. Each of the patient got side effect or no side effect are independent. So there is already fulfilled the condition for binomial distribution, right? First, have number of sample. First, have a probability of success and probability of failure. 0.2 is success, got side effect. 0.8 means failure because got no side effect, right? So now, you know that they are all independent try, okay? Because 40 different person, right? 40 different try, okay? So now, okay, let's answer the question. You have to understand very properly before you answer the question. So look at A here. So if 40 patient, okay, 40 patient, this is my N. And probability of success means have side effect is 0.2, right? So the question said, not more than 5 patients will develop side effect. Not more than 5 will develop side effect. What is mean by not more than 5? Not more than 5 means cannot be more than 5, alright? So it will be less than or equal 5. That's the meaning, right? Not more than 5. What is mean by not more than 5? Right? Can be 0, right? Can be 1. Can be 1 patient got side effect. Can be 2. As long as cannot more than 5. 3. Can or not? 3 can or not? Can, right? 3 orang boleh. Tak boleh lebih 5 saja. Not more than. Okay, the word not more than 5. Right? Not more than. Not more than. Can be 4, right? 4 is not more than 5 also. 5. Yes, 5 can. Because why? 5 is included. Because 5 can be not more than 5, but can be 5, right? Tak boleh lebih 5 mah. Okay? But can be 5. Alright? Not more than 5 is the same meaning. It's the same meaning as at most 5. They have the same equivalent, right? The meaning is equivalent. So, not more than 5, okay? Means at most 5. Okay? They have the same meaning. So now, alright. So for this one, if I want to use statistical table, alright, I have to convert this to become in the form of x greater or equal r, right? So, I means I go and 1 minus with p, x greater than 5. Less or equal 5 means x greater than 5. So, okay, You can refer to the video where I talk about this. So 1 minus px greater or equal 6. Sir, why is it this way? Right? You have to refer to the video that I talk about how to using the statistical table to finding this, right? So first, okay, if you want to know, it's about this. If you have at most 5, what is everyone? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But you know you have 40 try, right? 40 try, you know. So it means 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 40. So got 40 try. Okay? So not if you have 40 side effect, 40% all have side effect, or 9% have side effect, right? So, but they just at most 5. At most 5 means 0 up to 5. Dia hanya nak ini. They only want 0 up to 5. 0 up to 5. 6 and above they don't want. That's why everything, probability for 0, 1, 2, 3, everything add up is 1. 1 minus what? Why minus? I don't want. I don't want 6 and above. Right? I only want up to 5. 6 and above I know. That's why I write 6 and above. At least 6. Alright? 6 and above. So from statistical table, read 40, 0.2. Right? 40, 0.2. Okay, look at your statistical table. I just showing you, this is the statistical table that you must use. So, you open to the page. Okay, 40. Okay, good. 40, right? 40. And 0.2. Okay, 40. Where is 0.2? Here, this is 0.2, right? 40, 0.2. Okay, all this column here. Alright? Find for the value where x greater or equals 6. Very easy, okay? So from here, this one, be careful. So 40, 0.2, 6, right? Where is 6? Here, 6. Can you see that? 6. Okay, this column, 0.8387. 0.8387. So you just put the value here, 0.8387. Then you will get your required answer, which is 0.1613. 0.1613. Very simple. Alright? Okay, let's look at part B. Alright, okay, let's continue with part B. 5 to 10 patients will develop some side effect. What's the meaning of 5 to 10 patients? So you know that 5 to 10 patients means can be 5 patients, right? Because they said 5 to 10, okay? Can be 5, alright? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 to 10. Cannot be 11, right? They just said 5 to 10. 5 hingga 10. Alright? 5 hingga 10. So means 5 pun boleh kan? 10 pun boleh. So to write all this in discrete random variable, it will be probability of x between 5 and 10 inclusively, right? Include 5 and 10, right? X from 5 up to 10. So that's why you say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So all the number 5 to 10 here means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the meaning. They want you to find this probability. So as you know that, you only want 5. Okay, you know that 5, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there is 11, 12. You must understand what is meant by 40, right? 40. 40 try, right? Can be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Aduh, banyaknya. Sampai 40. Until 40. But they only want between 5 to 10. They only want between 5 to 10. So 5 to 10. Only one 5 to 10. Right? Means start from 5. Okay, this one, I never bother about this one also. Because statistical table never read about less than. Okay? So it means start from 5. Start from 5 means at least 5. At least 5. Need to minus away something. At least something. So I want 5 to 10. Right? I only want 5 to 10. 11 I don't want. 11, start from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, up to 40, I don't want. I don't want means I cut off everything I don't want, right? I don't want. So it means that start from 11, I don't want, right? I cannot minus 10, cannot. Because 10 I need, okay, I want 10, 5 to 10, right? So 11. So from statistical table, you read the value, right? You read the value. So 40, 0.2, just like just now, okay? 40, 0.2, this column here, all right? So find for the value of 5 and 11, right? From here, okay? 5, okay, 5 will be 0.9241, right? So you just write there, 0.9241. Minus away, at least 11. Okay, where's 11? Cari, okay, 11, 0.1608, right? 0.1608. Oh, so what is the answer? Okay, very simple. You just subtract and you're getting 7633. 0.7633, and this will be your answer. So the most important thing is, when you read a question, you must understand what the question wants and how to answer this by using statistical table, right? So, okay, if you already forget how to using statistical table, refer to video 1 and 2, right? Okay, so, okay, now go to part C here, okay, part C, okay? Right, part C. So, if 1,600 patients, wow, just now how many patients? 40. But now become 1,600 patients. Try out the medicine. Okay, try out the medicine after success, right? After success, okay, means the patient already confident with that medicine. So now 1,600 want to try out the medicine. Find the mean and variance of the number of patients who develop some side effect. So you must understand. You must know. Okay, sorry. You must know that you learn something from the binomial distribution. First, if the random variable is discrete, right? It's a discrete random variable. It's binomial distribution with number of try n and p. So the formula for the probability where px equals to r will be ncr p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r, right? So what is the mean? Mean sometimes we also refer to the expected value, right? Expected value. So I have discussed this during the video 1 and 2. So mean, or this is all the equivalent form. So it's NP. You just take the N, multiply the P. So the variance is also known as Variance or sigma square, right? The formula will be NPQ, right? NPQ. So, okay, very important. So, you can jot down beside this example. So now, okay. Alright, okay, it's with 1600, okay? Because now the sample is no longer 40, right? It's no longer 40. It's already 1,600, you know, okay? 1,600 patients. So means that the number of sample now, number of try now is 1600. It's no longer 40. But the probability of have side effect will be 0.2. So then the question asking you to find the mean, right? So you can using this formula, the mean of the number of patients who develop some side effect will be, you take the 1n, right? This is your n and this is your p. Okay, mean will be np. So will be times with 0.2, right? Times with 0.2. You are having 1,600. All right. Okay, which will be 320. Means that this is a mean now. Okay. Expected. Okay. You must understand the meaning here. So when they say you have 1,600 patient go and test the medicine, try the medicine. 0.2% will have the side effect, right? So 20% of the 1,600 is 320. Means that 320 will develop side effect, right? If 40, how many? If the mean for this is how many? 40 times 0.2, you will have 8%, right? 40% go and try. We expected, that's why we use the word expected here, right? Expected means that dijangkakan akan ada 8 orang lah yang akan ada side effect. Alright, this is the calculation, just a calculation. Okay, later on they're asking you to find the variance, right? The question asking you to find the the variance of the the variance of the number of patients. So variance, okay, variance, the formula will be N, right? N, P, your P is 0.2. Definitely your Q will be 0.8. Total up must be 1, right? These two, okay? Either they have side effect or no side effect, okay? Total up must be 1. So you calculate this one, you are getting, right? The variance will be 256. So if the question asks you to find the standard deviation, okay? If they ask you to find the standard deviation of the binomial distribution, for this case here, the standard deviation will be very simple, okay? It will be just the square root of the variance, right? Standard deviation also sigma, okay? It's also known as sigma. So it's square root of the variance of x here, okay? So what's the value we get here? 256, right? So the standard deviation will be the square root of 256, okay? Which should give you the value of 16, right? Value of 16. The standard deviation for the sample with 1600, okay? This will be your mean, variance, and standard deviation, right? Okay, hope you understand. That's all for this video.